Welcome children, welcome to my English literature class today. The lesson for today is Little Girls Are Wiser. Little girls are wiser. It was Easter Sunday and the winter snow had just begun to melt in a little village in Russia. There were puddles of muddy brown water all along the streets. Two little girls who had just come back from church met at the corner of this street. They were in their Sunday best. Malasha, the younger of the two, was dressed in a bright blue frock, while Akulya, the older girl, wore a pretty yellow one. They admired each other's new clothes and began to play. Malasha was about to step into a puddle when Akulya reminded her, "Don't, Malasha, your mother will scold for sure. Let's take off our shoes and socks first." But little Malasha was much too excited and pulped her foot down so hard that the muddy water splashed right onto Akulya's new frock. Both the girls were trying frantically to dab the stains off Akulya's frock and make them disappear, when Akulya's mother walked up to them. She took one look at her daughter's dirty frock and sternly demanded, "Just what have you been up to, Akulya?" "It's not my fault, mother," said Akulya nervously. "Malasha splashed water on my frock." Akulya's mother caught hold of Malasha and shook her hard. Malasha began to weep. Hearing her cries, Malasha's mother rushed out of her house, asking, "What happened? Why are you weeping, Malasha?" "Akulya's mother scolded me," sobbed Malasha. Malasha's mother turned in full fury to Akulya's mother. They began to quarrel. They called each other names. Soon other women in the street joined them. Some supported Akulya's mother, while others defended Malasha's. The men folk too joined in the squabbling. The fight wouldn't stop even when Akulya's grandmother came out of her house and pleaded with them. "It is festival time. You ought not to quarrel on Easter of all days." No one cared to listen to her. Meanwhile, Malasha and Akulya had moved away from the fighting crowd. Having forgotten their quarrel, they began to make paper boats together to float on the puddles. Akulya's grandmother pointed to them and said, "Look at the children. They have become friends again. But you are still fighting. Are you not ashamed?" The men and women paused. They turned to look at the little girls, now playing happily near the puddle. They bent their heads in shame and turned silently to their houses. That day, the men and women learned a valuable lesson from the little girls, that children forgive and forget easily, unlike adults. They also realized that arguing over unimportant things was silly and did not get people anywhere. Dear children, with this we come to the end of our lesson. Hope to see you in the next. Thank you.